Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download blog drafts from WordPress and upload to LinkedIn. Full guide. Log into your WordPress account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on Posts in the left sidebar. Select all posts from the drop-down menu. Locate the draft you want to download. Hover over the draft title. Click on Edit to open the post editor. Look for the More Options icon, typically represented by 3 dots or a gear. Click on More Options. Choose Export as XML if available, or copy the entire content manually. If using the manual method, select all text in the editor. Right-click and choose Copy to save the content to your clipboard. Open a text editor, like Notepad or Word. Paste the copied content into the text editor. Save the document in a format like .txt or .docs on your computer. Now, open your LinkedIn account. Log into your LinkedIn profile. Navigate to the home page. Look for the Start a Post box near the top. Click in the Start a Post box to begin. If you saved your blog draft as a text or document file, open it now. Select all content from the file. Copy the text. Return to your LinkedIn post box. Paste the copied blog draft content into the post box. Add any necessary hashtags or tags to enhance visibility. Review your post for any formatting issues. Click on the Post button to share your content with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.